Quickbites. Okay, so we found this stall. It's essentially like stuffed pockets of like dough that they like wrap up, and then they fry it on like a flat pan in a lot of oil. Anyway, so we're gonna get one. It's 61 each, and it looks like you pick your filling.
杨树西街吃出香，是由六种食材精致而成。双花酥麻誉为杨树西街最安全、放心的土豆。杨树西街吃壮香是由六种食材精致而成。
Okay, so we got it here for 61, and it's stuffed with pork and green onions. So this is gonna be the first bite. It's like really good. The outside is like crispy, and the inside is like really soft here. Look at that. Yeah. The feeling is, this is actually like really good. I want Stacy to get her out.
I am made to be free.